Alright, this is going to be a short video showing you how to use Mixxx in the context of Calyx Live broadcasts. Mixxx is a virtual DJing tool, just like Virtual DJ, but it deals with FLAC files better and tags. It's open source and it's free. So right now it is launching. The reason that it's taking longer than normal is because we're recording this screencast at the same time, so it's using up a lot of the CPU. Mixxx has a lot of nice keyboard shortcuts, which if you hold your mouse over any of the functions on the Mixxx interface, it'll show you what the keyboard shortcut is. Alright, and here is the Mixxx interface. In the center is the crossfader, and you can see there are keyboard shortcuts there, H and G, to move it around, or you can drag it with the mouse. This is what's going to let you fade between the track that you're previewing, or that you previewed and tested out, and the track that's currently playing. And there's the keyboard shortcuts. Down below is your library, and if you want to play a track, click it and drag it into one of the two decks. In this case, we're dragging it into the left deck because we've moved the crossfader all the way over to the right. This is because the output from the crossfader goes to the board and consequently out over the air. Right now we've clicked the headphone icon so that we can hear the track that we're previewing over the headphones. And here we are changing the gain in order to get the signal to be, or the volume of the recording to be just right. We can click anywhere in the waveform to pick where we want to start playing. And so we'll start right here and unclick the headphones, bring the crossfader over, and play. And now we're playing this track live over the air because it's going through the crossfader there. Now we're going to pick the next track. This is the track that we're going to queue up to play after we're done playing the currently playing track. Make sure that the crossfader is moved all the way to the left so that we don't play two tracks out over the air at the same time. Click the headphone link so that you can hear it over your headphones. And again, you can go through and set the gain, like we're doing right here, to make sure that the volume of the next track that you're going to play is roughly the same as the volume of the current track that's playing. Once that's all set up, we get ready to do the cutover. This would normally happen at the end of one of the tracks. We play the other track, they're both playing at the same time, and we move the crossfader fluidly across, fading into the new track. At this point, the blue track on the left, though it's playing, it's not going out over the air, and so we can stop it. And now we bring in our third track. This is the one that we're going to be queuing up to play after the current orange track, which is going out over the air, is complete. Again, we click the headphone link so that we can hear it on the headphones, start playing, tweak the gain so that the volume of the queued track that we're working on right now is roughly the same as the volume of what's being played live over the air. We pick exactly where we want to start the track, start playing it, and crossfade from the orange track that was playing live over the air to the blue track, which is our new track. And then finally, let's say this is the last track of the show, you can use this fader to bring the volume down on the track that's playing live over the air. And that's how you use Mixxx.